Good afternoon, friends. I am Hanumat B, lecturer in Computer Science Department, Government Polytechnic Karatgi from Karnataka. Today I am going to discuss regarding CSS and its types. What is the use of CSS and what are its types? Before that, as we know that HTMLs are used to create the web pages. So HTMLs are used mainly concentrating on the content, structure contents. But if you want to format the structure content, it requires CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. That means if I want to apply styles to any HTML elements, for example, paragraph, I want to have the paragraph is in red colors and I want to have the paragraph in left alignment, right alignment, like that. And similarly, if I want to have the HTML element H1 headings should be in the blue colors. These are the styles I can apply with the help of CSS. So as I told, there are three types of CSS. One is inline, embedded and linked style sheets. If I say inline, that means I am going to apply only one style to one elements. For examples, H1, I am applying the H1 and color as the blue. That means if I am creating a home pages, if I am having the only one heading in our home pages, that time I can apply a single inline, that means single element to that particular H1. Suppose in case if I am using a more than one heading, that means H1 itself is I am using more than one times in a single page. That time if I want to have all the heading in the same colors, that time I have to repeat the same steps wherever I am using that H1s. Instead of that, if I am repeating that same steps, I want to write only one one style to that H1 elements within the head tags. As already know, we have the head tags. Within the head tags, we can add the styles. So suppose similarly, if I am having the paragraph H1 and other things, same thing I can include in the within the head tags. That we can call it as embedded style sheets. Suppose in case if I am having the more than 2 pages, 3 pages, 100 pages, 1000 pages, that time I can't assume that I am having the same format for all the pages. In that case, it is very difficult to make changes for all the pages. Instead of that, you make a separate file. You can have one HTML file, another one is style sheet files. That source file I can say it as a .html, style sheet I can say it as a .css. Later, wherever you want, you can have a link with the help of link tags we can use. So this is how we can avoid the repeating the same steps for all the pages. So that this is how it helps for formatting all the pages. Thank you, sir.